Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing things that often cause sign-outs. First, verify your Google account and recovery info so forced youth is easy. Once done, update your browser to the latest build and make sure cookies are allowed. Next, disable privacy extensions or test in a guest profile because many auto-clear sessions. Sign into Google, enable sync, and watch for immediate sign-out behavior. This confirms whether the issue is local or account-side. Now dig into the middle steps that fix persistent sign-outs. Open browser sync settings, toggle sync off, then back on to rebuild session tokens. This often refreshes broken credentials. Make sure cookie retention isn't set to clear on exit and whitelist accounts. Google.com. Then inspect Google account security for recent activity or alerts and allow your device if prompted. If you use multiple profiles, keep one dedicated to Google to prevent cross-profile token overwrites. Finish by cleaning remaining corruption and locking the session down. Clear cookies specifically for accounts. Google.com. If stale tokens persist, then sign back in and enable two-step verification or add a hardware security key to reduce forced logouts. Make sure you don't run automatic cookie cleaners or system cleaners on sign-in data. If problems continue, create a new browser profile and migrate bookmarks. If that still fails, escalate to Google support with device and error details for account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.